In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar in Google Sheets. We'll cover two quick options: a mini date picker that pops up right inside your cells, and a full-sized annual calendar you can use to plan projects or schedules. Both approaches are fast, clean, and designed to save you time. Let's start with the mini calendar. This is perfect when you want people to pick a date without typing it manually. Begin by selecting the cells where you want dates to go. This can be a single cell, a column, or a whole range. Then, go to the Data menu and choose Data Validation. Add a rule and set the criteria to Is Valid Date. That's it. From now on, when you double-click any of those cells, a small calendar will pop up. You can click through months, choose the exact date you need, and Sheets will place it in the cell in a consistent format. This keeps your data clean and avoids those small typos that can cause formula errors later. If you applied the rule to a large range, you'll get the same behavior across every cell you selected. It's a simple, reliable way to make date entry fast and accurate for you or anyone sharing the sheet. Now, if you're looking for a full-sized calendar to plan a team schedule, content roadmap, or classroom activities, use Google's built-in template. Go to File, select New, and then choose from Template Gallery. Look for the annual calendar. Open it, and you'll see that the layout is already formatted and color-coded, with months and days neatly arranged. You can start typing your events directly into the appropriate days, and everything stays aligned on the page. Because it's pre-built, you skip all the formatting work and jump straight into planning. Here's the best part. These templates are dynamic. At the top, you'll see a place to change the year. Update that single value, and every month instantly shifts so dates line up with the correct days of the week for that year. It's a one-click update that saves you from rebuilding or reformatting anything, whether you're planning far ahead or catching up mid-year. To recap, use data validation with the Is Valid Date rule when you want quick, precise date entry inside regular cells. Use the annual calendar template when you need a polished, year-at-a-glance planner. With these two options, you can keep your spreadsheets organized, professional, and easy to maintain.